Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. In our second news today, that I think it's something worth thinking about. The some U.S. representatives and lawmakers are calling for an AI kill switch. Now, the proposition that they have is companies that you know make at least or have at least 500 million in investment in AI. But I think it should be really thought out well, and that there should be a an AI kill switch in case something goes bad. And I think that the OpenAI going rogue with the AI attacking Hugging Face, and apparently the attack was done in a way that even Hugging Face had to use other types of tools to look for the data breach, because not the data breach, but the hacking, because the regular tools couldn't work against the AI hacking. And it really, really wakes us up in a serious way here about having a way to switch off AI when it doesn't go well. You know, the best way probably to kill would be to have a internet off switch, but still, you know, killing the internet for everybody around the world just because something went rogue is kind of a big deal. How about some kind of AI kill switch? Absolutely. I think this story tells us that we can lose control of what's happening with AI, and that AI is starting to get scary. Once the machines get more and more powerful, they will have more and more capacity to do things on their own. And one of the reasons for their existence also is that we do want AI to do a lot more on its own, rely less on humans for decisions and for, whatever's going to happen in the future. And that's very dangerous. Right now, we are at the time where it's starting to get scary. So, a global AI kill switch of some sort that would stop all the major AIs from actually functioning if needed. But then again, the other thing about this is the complexity of it all. Can AI itself kind of tell itself in some way that it could be switched off and create a parallel AI of itself in a different network where that kill switch will kill the main AI, but a copy of itself will be somewhere else that can continue working and do what it wants to do? It's getting very, very complex, and all the thinking of all around this, where we are going. But I think it's really, really time to think about it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.